it is not automatic to use this as a shield when you evaluate the right. It says, nothing in section 37, 38, 39, 40, and 41 of this Constitution shall invalidate any law that is reasonably justifiable in a democratic society. Let me give an example. In 2021, when we went to court and when after the Twitter was banned or prohibited, some persons were quick to say, look, I mean, why are we just acting as if we don't know what happens around the world? Go to China. You can't just do anything using these platforms. Go to North Korea. That doesn't just happen. I mean, we're taking this democracy thing too far. And so, some of us were going to say, hey, okay, hold it. Section 45 says your right to expression is not absolute. But that section says what will limit it must be a law that is reasonably justifiable in a democratic society. China is not a democracy. North Korea is not a democracy. So, in fact, if I'm on the other side and you bring that to the place, I mean, that would be so easy to clash. Because all we need to do is to beam the searchlight on it that, my Lord, these nations mentioned are not democratic societies. So, in the interest of peace, public safety, public order, public morality, or public health, for the purpose of protecting the rights and freedom of other persons.